Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download YouTube videos. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go to our Chrome browser and then here we will search for YouTube and then click enter. So here we are in YouTube. So now if we search here and if we search for Ronaldo, and we just want to download a Ronaldo video. For that, if we just click on this Cristiano Ronaldo all user goals, and after that here you will get an option called download over here. We can see. So click on download and you can choose the quality if you want. The standard is 480p 88 MB, or if you want to download the full HD, you can do, but it's quite a little bit bigger. You can see. So we're going to download for only showing you that the standard. So click on download and here you can see the download is getting started. So if we now click on this free line and then if we come over here, you can see download option. So click on that and here you can see our video is getting downloaded. You can see it's downloaded. So this is how you can download YouTube videos in your YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video.